Hey, Rooster. Good job. Hayden, can you help your sister, please?
That's a good big brother.
You want some food?
You want me to just leave it in the tray for them?
Yeah.
Oh, she's mean.
She's not mean, she's just hungry.
Brooster. Let the ladies eat.
Don't even think about it, yummy.
Rooster. He is eating it so fast.
I know, he's not being a very good rooster.
I think he's a fat rooster.
He's a big boy.
Come here, Brooster.
He wants the eggs.
He definitely does.
Dad, he's just like you.
Yeah.
That's giving me warning, guys.
Yeah, he doesn't share with his ladies yet.
No.
Mama, see Blanche and not Blanche.
Yeah, not Blanche is a bit of a dirty butt.
Not Blanche is mean.
Not Blanche is mean.
That's what I mean. Blanche is nice. Blanche! What are you doing?
I'm Hayden for her.
Ow!
Hey! No.
She pecks at it so hard.
You gotta let your hand out in confidence.
No, not flat. She just went in and went, no. Not flat, Keaton. Can't you just do it?
Like a cup?
Yeah, kind of. Just be careful because some of them, they do hurt.
Brooster just comes over.
Oh, Brooster
Not
doesn't.
Blanche.
Brooster's the
Okay,
man.
I'm not.
Don't tell me not Blanche.
I know. Not Blanche.
I don't think she likes
They don't go over here as much, eh?
Who is that? No, they don't. What? Who is that? Which one?
that one that I'm pointing at.
Not Blanche.
Not Blanche. Two of them were just being so nice, and then not Blanche just bit my finger.
Yeah.
Blanche.
Oh, not
It's not
Blanche.
Blanche. Not Blanche.
I'm gonna touch you, Brooster.
Wait, bye, Brooster.
Bye, Brooster. Have a nice life. Magnus is gonna get you. All right, go with your ladies. What are you doing? Oh. He pooped and he said, nope. See you later. I'm going back home.
Brooster, come on.
Come on, I didn't mean to be mean to you. Come on. Go back home. Go with your ladies. Sorry. I apologize.
Come on, buddy.
I said sorry.
Not Blanche. Done?
Yeah, we're gonna put it out for them now, okay?
Put it over to the right.
Yeah.
Yeah, over there, yeah. See if we can get them to start de-weeding this area. Yeah. Not off the cage, though. Right there. Yeah. Alright. Have a great day, ladies. We'll see you soon. In and out.